So this is a new exciting adventure in the YouTube channel. Yeah. Ooh. I got all kinds of RC crawlers and stuff, you know. Make some cones, right? I'm using a TPU 95A. Translucent orange, whatever. Little settings. I speeded up at the end there because I was bored. Waiting 5 minutes for a little bit of nothing there. I'm going to be printing just as good sped up. Whatever temperature that is and stuff. 225, 95 on the bed. And stuff. It's just 220. So, yeah, I made some anti-foams. Making it pretty good. Nice and clean. This print's really clean. Bunch of stringy and stuff, all that kind of whatever. Yeah. Thanks to the old youngest son. Birthday Christmas gift here. Pretty dang sweet. Thanks, buddy. Loves you.